Okay, wanted to show you guys something. Probably noticed right off something's majorly wrong. This is a gas pack that was installed by either a competitor or the builder that's flipping this house. And he put wooden boards under a plastic pad. The plastic is pretty much supposed to simulate concrete, and so it's supposed to be flat on the ground, secure, that kind of thing. But it's above ground. It's on some old blocks, which is not a big deal there, but it's above ground. Anything could crawl under the house right there. The boards, they're going to rot out eventually. The unit will settle down. It's pretty sloppy. And you notice the unit's not level, it's leaning to the right pretty good. Looks like they bought some flashing material from Lowe's. So that's how you know it's not a heating and air guy. Probably ordered the unit online. I've jumped it out. Gas line, a flexible hose, I don't like that. Being on the outside. We've gotten away from that in our industry. It's kind of what we got, brand new unit. I'm doing the inspection on it, and this is what I'm finding. Oh, more boards. Wait a minute. Is that a sewer line under there? It is. It's like a sewer clean out. Who knows? How about that? Get to see something new all the time. Definitely not quality. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.